Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Okay, here I'm on grade 10 math. Let's just start with the lesson that is congruent line segments. Are Kn and Jk are congruent? Kn has a side length 144 and Jk has a side length 91. So Jk are not congruent, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Are PT and PQ congruent? PT is 96 and PQ is also 96. So yes, they are congruent. The correct option is yes. Are PR and QR congruent? PR is 128 and QR is 108. No, they are not congruent. The correct option is no. No, they are not congruent. Option number two is the correct option. Are JK and NP congruent? JK is 169 and NP is also 169. So yes, they are congruent. Are KN and JK congruent? No, they are not congruent. EIN HI congruent. EI has the side length 105 millimeter and IH has the 123 millimeters. So no, the side lengths are not same. So no, that is not congruent. The correct option is no. That is 98 and NST is also 98. The sidelines are same, so they are congruent. The correct option is yes, they are congruent. R are P and KN congruent? P is 111 and KN is 174. No, they are not congruent. Okay, you can by yourself later today. We just the next lesson is midpoint formula. So now we are given the side length of the lines. We need to calculate the midpoint, the point that divides the line. Right? Just look at the point above line points B 107 C 01. Find the coordinate of its midpoint and calculate the midpoint. Here given the formula. Okay, let's just do practice questions. Our lines 8 and h negative 8, 6. Find the coordinates of the midpoint M. So we need to calculate the midpoint, right? That is, so x1 plus x2, here is x1, here is x2. Negative and 6 minus negative 8 over 2. Negative 6, that is 7. 14 over 2 is, that is 1, 6, negative 6 and 1. Option number 1 is the option, that is negative 6 and 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. RS has the endpoint 3, 1 and S has the 1, 7. Find the midpoints of MRS. Seven plus 1 is 8. So that is M x1 plus x2 over 2. 1 plus 3 over 2. 1 plus 7 over 2. That is 2 and 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 2 and 4. Basically, you have to do x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. This is x1, this is x2. So 3 plus 1 over 2. That is 4 over 2 is 2. So we have 2. The correct option is 2 and 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. It's -6, -10, and K 8, 6. Find the midpoint M of JK. The midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2. That is 8 minus 6 over 2, right? And 6 plus 10 over 2. 2, 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 over 2 is 8. That must be 8. We have different answer. Hold on, let me just check. Oh, that is -10 plus 6. It is -6 actually. You, you can see here the points. -10 and 6. So -10 and 6 is, that is 1, -2. Option 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Find the distance between the 2 points. So now we are going to learn the distance formula, right? The distance formula is, so when you are on the coordinate plane, the distance between the 2 points is very easy to calculate, like the point and 9, 7, right? They have the same y coordinate because the line is on the, that is a straight line, and the line is on the, so that is 9 minus 2. Just subtract the coordinates that are different. 9 minus 2 is 7. So the distance between 2 points is 7 units. Okay, find the distance between the 2 points, 6, 8 and 1, 8. Just look at their y components, right? They have same y component because that is a straight line. So the straight line is on the, you have the point on the y component. Now look at the x. Use the distance formula and calculate the absolute value. That is 6 plus 8 is 14 over 2 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. The distance between the 2 points is 5 units. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the distance between the 2 points 6, 8, 6, 1. So, which is the correct option? Find the distance between the points 6, 8, and 6, 1. So, which is the correct option? Yeah, that is 8 minus 1, 7 units. It is the correct option is 7 units. Find the distance between the points 4, 1 and 4, 7. That is 6 units. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the distance between the points 10, 7 and 1, 7. That is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 8 unit. The correct option is 8. Find the distance between the points 1, 9 and 6, 9. That is 5 units. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the distance between the points 4, 3 and 10, 3. That is 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 5 math, grade 10 math. Chapter we were working on is points, lines and line segments. The lessons we have covered today are midpoints, sorry, congruent line segments, midpoint formula, and find the distance between 2 points. So please make sure before the next session we can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. If you need more help, then simply click on the live chat. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So, any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.